와우. 아티스트 패밀리. 근데 저 이거 산다고 서울 위례 지나실 분 계시면 연락 주십시오. 그냥 드리겠습니다. 그냥. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! 지금 이게 생일 축하 음악인지 모르고 듣고 있었는데 Happy birthday! 완전 새로운 버전의 Happy birthday. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. 와, 케이크 주셔가지고 와, thank you so much. Thank you so much. 야, 와, what can I do for you guys? 아, 저 드릴 게 없네. 아, 이거 드리고 싶은데. 몰라. Happy birthday, thank you so much. birthday again. One of the girl is birthday, and then she gave me this.
Yes.
So I wanted to buy some drinks for them.
Okay.
Can I ask them?
Drinks.
Just tell them so anything they want to drink,
Okay.
and then you give them,
Okay.
and then I'll pay for them. So
Okay,
please
no
ask them what you want.
Okay.
우리 생일은 이 케이크 소녀들을 위해서 이 정도는 제가 거짓이지만 이 정도는 할 수 있을 거예요.
We are really happy, sweetheart.
Happy birthday. 아, 지금 힘들게 비자를 다시 받으러 가는 길입니다. 30를 줘야 되는데 13을 줘가지고 이거 분명 누가 말 실수했다는 해서 100만원 건다 내가 진짜. 또 저기 우리 한국말 잘하시는 분들이 도와주셔가지고 빨리 끝내고 밥 먹으려고 했는데 두 분 참고로 아침에 저한테 수박 먹었다고 뭐라 하시더니 본인들은 차밖에 안 먹었다고 부담 지금 팍팍 주면서. 안녕하십니까.
안녕하세요. 좋아요.
나 근데 이 부분 안 쓸 거다. 난 그 말을 못 하겠어요. 그 구독 이 말을 너무 못 하겠어. 그러니까 좋은.
우리는 말했으니까 하는지 안 하는지 잘 모르겠지만
네.
근데 가지고 왔어요.
와우, 와 감사합니다. 와. 이건 뭐야?
존맛탱.
트러플이 그 트러플이에요 혹시?
네 맞아요. 트러플인데 근데 아마 이거 한국에 없는 맛?
진짜?
네네.
오.
한국 사람
그
한국
이거
친구들 이란에 올 때 이거 제일 추천해요. 제가.
아 진짜요?
네.
트러플 소환? 감사합니다. 감사합니다. 아이고. 자 어떻게 될 것 같아요?
망했으면 좋겠다.
망했으면 좋겠다. 자 지금 되게 쫄리실 것 같은데 심정이 어떠세요? 개 쫄리실 것 같은데 지금 누가
너무 쪽팔려요.
꼴찌 쟁탈전. 원래
아 미터 싫어.
지금 현재 심정이 어떠신가요?
아 너무 아파요.
와. 저기. Yeah, salam. Long time no see. Oh yeah, thank you. I'm good. How are you?
Thank you.
So this whole street is Seoul Street? Oh. So it is not so different from any other roads, right? Oh, okay. Seoul. I can see Seoul. Seoul Park. So Seoul 문화회관, I can see. What do you guys do in Seoul Cultural Complex?
I think they put on some cultural stuff
Oh,
between Iran and Korea.
okay. I imagined this a lot, just coming to the Seoul road and streets. Wow, I'm here. Wow.
Hope you like it. We are some kind of tourists too.
Thank you. Thank you. Really?
She made them herself.
Oh, gosh.
She made one for your mom and dad too.
Really?
Dad,
My father?
Yeah.
innego sign.
What in magnets?
It's
Oh gosh.
kind of a stone.
Yeah. So for health.
Yeah.
Ah,
You
Oh God, my,
These ones for you.
my gosh, thank you. Wow, it's a necklace. Oh, really? Wow. So okay, I really like bracelets. Yeah. Yes, I have a lot, right? Wow.
Mother.
Oh gosh. Really?
It's one for her.
Ah, of course, my mother and father loves it. Wow. Your mother made this.
Yeah. She's really
Wow.
good at stuff.
Mercy so much. Wow.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Ah,
She was really busy making this, and I was.
I really love it. I really love it. Wow. I want to say something more than Melcy. What should I say?
دست شما درد نکنه.
Dasta shoma dad nakuna.
Yeah.
مرسی. خواهش میکنم.
Wow, really thank you so much. Wow. Now my father and my mother and my brother. Oh, yeah, everyone's gonna have this now. Wow. Ah.
Your
She
brother.
said, give this to your brother.
Really?
من نمیدونستم
She
بگو.
didn't know you have a brother.
No, it's okay. So I will share it.
No.
Really?
She is this.
Thank you. Wow.
Father, brother, you.
Yeah, my brother. Yeah. Wait, no more. Yes. Thank you. Oh, that pass. Oh. So, is this famous place?
It's famous for
Yeah.
decoration.
Ah, okay, yeah.
Inside is, I heard it's free.
No, I feel a little guilty then. I didn't bring anything but. Oh. Thank you. When I get something, I have to open it immediately.
It's the same.
It's same. Oh, really? Can I open this? Ah. Wow.
She also made this. She have a candle shop.
Okay. Wow. The candle?
Yes.
Oh, you made this candle?
Yes.
Wow. Yeah, nice. Nice curve. So these are all candles?
Yes.
Wow.
Famous one of
Yeah. So she makes she makes the candle and sell? Oh really? Wow. But I feel a little like weird touching this. Wow. Marble candle. And then
They just go and like clean the car. If they like them,
It's like
exchange
an
the number.
infinite loop. It never ends.
It
It
never
just
ends.
oh, so it's just another trendy word. Yeah, okay, yes. I've been to. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Thank you for inviting me.
My aunt.
Thank you, aunt. It's really nice apartments. Wow.
Very nice.
Yo. Wow, what an artist family, oh. He makes it and she sells this or?
Yeah.
Ah.
She really
You don't have to
loves
show me inside.
You get to show me,
Oh, okay. Really? No.
Yeah.
No, it's too much.
No, she especially
Oh.
made this for you.
Oh my god. 아 진짜? 와 여러 가지. 와 감사합니다. My mother will love to see this.
مامانش
Oh.
اصلا خیلی وارد نیستم.
She really don't know how to play.
Oh. You said she doesn't know it. Why she's so good? Why? Let's see if I can do it.
اینم اینجا. Good.
Yeah, really good.
Thank you. I feel like I'm a child.
Yes, that's my
Thank you.
bachelor.
Yes. Even if I just breath, everybody say, "Wow, you're doing good." Yeah, Lawrence. Fast and June.
Yeah, first time.
Oh,
Really?
nice. My last suffering.
You have to put it on
Var muhtar yok şu bir.
뭘 사야 할지 모르겠어. 이게 이쪽에서는 복을 주는 모양이라고 하니까 이런 걸 물어봐야겠다.
Father, Santa Claus.
How much is it? How much?
I don't have.
Sorry?
I don't have.
You don't have it?
Yes, have it.
Yeah. But I wanna buy here. I wanna buy here. Here.
Okay.
So
No, no problem. One gift.
really? 아니 I wanna buy man. Really? 아니 그냥 산다는데 이걸 주셔가지고. So you don't sell this?
Meventi.
아. 아니 저 이거 산다고 나.
Meventi.
야야. 아니 나 산다는데 자꾸 이거 안 주고. Just go over there. Go over there and then go. And left. And left. 아 okay. Thank you.
Nice queue.
Yeah.
Exit.
Go in and okay.
여기
안으로 들어오면 이런 동매상 같은 게 있어서 되게 싸게 잘 해줄 수 있는 겁니다. Oh, there's more. Yeah. Excuse me. 안에도 있네요. 이제 가격 협상을 한 거.
Where are you from?
Korea.
Welcome.
Love Iran.
Thank you very much. Welcome to my country.
Thank you very much too. Can you give me a little discount? Can I help this much? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Inshallah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Inshallah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes. 너무 친절하시고 이거를 이렇게 200 and then Oh really? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mister. Yeah. God bless you. Thank you. 또 잔돈 쿨하게 안 받으시는. 와, 장난 아니네요. 진짜 이게 서로 기분 좋은 거래. 와, 미래에 오실 분 있으시면 연락 주십시오. 행운을 주는 이런 눈이 잔뜩 달린 이런 브레이슬렛 약간 샀으니까 서울 위례 지나실 분 계시면 연락 주십시오. 그냥 드리겠습니다. 그냥. 야. My channel? They will bring you the love. Huh? Oh wow, what is this? Yes. Wow, for the dangerous, huh? Yeah. When I meet bad person, I use 이게 되게 단단한데 단단한 걸 한다고 했습니다. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Oh really? For me? 한국에서는 저같이 이렇게 많이 쳐먹으면 돼지라고 하는데 여기서 소라고 하는 거예요? 너 그렇게 쳐먹으면 너 그렇게 쳐먹으면 소 된다 이러는 거예요?
네네.
Okay, why do you study Korean? Can I ask? Yeah, hi. 네, 저분께서 와. Thanks so much. Yes. 감사합니다. Merci. Salam. Salam. to his family. Thank you. Thank you. You walk around.
I love you from all the Iranian. Thank you.